On another topic that you brought up, the best divorce is a divorce that doesn't have to be decided by the court.
Yes.
Understand, whether you agree with it or not, understand there are set provisions, are not perfect. Okay, they're not perfect, but there's set provisions, and understand the court is going to order that unless the court's given a reason not to. The court's going to order what those provisions are. So, if you want to get out your American Express card, and you want to go pay huge legal fees, right? And you want to run that credit card every month, and you want to have 3 attorneys and 6 staff members review each piece of correspondence that goes out the door, you've made that decision and welcome to it. But that is very foolish.
It is foolish, but the other side of that issue is that only one person has to do that, and if the person does not respond.
That is a fact.
And that's the problem that I want to address as well.
That's
so how do you address that?
You got to get that case tried. Okay, if you have, I have one of these cases, by the way.
Okay.
If you have a person over here that is completely unrealistic, okay, unrealistic, and in this particular case, that person was the mother, that person was very much wanting to control every aspect, okay, and totally unrealistic, absolutely, okay, and then you have the guy over here, he just wants to get his divorce.
Right, and it can go both ways, just so that anybody
that can be flipped.
Because the moment we say something, somebody say, well, what happens to moms too? Of course it happens to moms too. We're just using this as an example.
It can be flipped. So what has happened in this one case is this case has been dragged out for 6 years.
Right.
Okay? It's been 6 years.
Right.
And every time this person asks for a continuance, she's gotten it. Okay? Usually because she has to go find another lawyer. And she goes to find the other lawyer at the last minute, right?
Yeah.
So, and this person just wants to move on with his life.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
So you can't get it tried.
Yeah. And there are a lot of difficulties when the children are involved too, because it's hard to move on with your life on the one hand and say that you're acting in the best interest of the child on the other hand, when the fact that you're divorcing is probably not in the best interest of the children.
No, getting a divorce is not in the best interest of the children, but it's
part of the reality that you
reality,
deal with. Right.
It's reality.
So